Have you ever wondered if your kitchen scraps could be more than just trash? Most of us simply toss out peels, stems, and coffee grounds without a second thought. But what if these everyday leftovers could actually become something valuable? Every banana peel and veggie end you toss is actually a hidden treasure for your garden. These scraps are packed with nutrients that plants crave, and they're just waiting to be transformed into something amazing. Instead of buying expensive fertilizers, you can make a powerful, all-natural plant food at home, free. Homemade compost is not only cost-effective, but it's also better for your plants and the environment. It's a simple way to recycle what you already have. This simple process turns waste into wealth, saving money and reducing landfill waste. By composting, you're helping to cut down on the amount of garbage that ends up in landfills, and you're creating rich, fertile soil for your garden. By recycling kitchen scraps, you're feeding your plants and nurturing your backyard ecosystem. Composting encourages healthy soil, supports beneficial insects, and helps your garden thrive naturally, without chemicals. Imagine lush gardens and vibrant flowers, all thanks to what you'd normally throw away. Your kitchen waste can be the secret ingredient to a flourishing, colorful garden that bursts with life. Ready to turn kitchen trash into garden treasure? With just a few simple steps, you can start composting today and make a real difference for your home and the planet. Your plants and the planet will thank you for making this small but powerful change. So, what is this plant gold? It's a nutrient-rich liquid made by fermenting kitchen scraps with sugar and water. Beneficial microbes break down the scraps, releasing vitamins, minerals, and enzymes into the liquid. This super smoothie feeds your plants and enriches your soil's microbiome. Unlike chemical fertilizers, it boosts soil health and helps plants resist pests and disease. The result? Stronger roots, healthier growth, and more abundant harvests. It's a natural, sustainable way to keep your garden thriving. Let's see how easy it is to make. Making your own liquid fertilizer at home is easy and rewarding. With just kitchen scraps, brown sugar or molasses, and water, you can brew a powerful plant booster. Use a sturdy, sealed container. Mix 3 parts chopped kitchen scraps, 1 part sugar, and 10 parts water. Stir well, seal, and let it ferment in a cool, dark spot. Release gases daily for a month, then weekly. After 3 months, strain the liquid and bottle it up. Congratulations! You've brewed liquid gold. Your plants will love it. Dilute your liquid fertilizer. 1 part fertilizer to 100 parts water. This keeps your plants safe and nourished. Feed vegetables, herbs, and potted plants every couple of weeks for strong, healthy growth and abundant harvests. Apply fertilizer in the early morning or evening to prevent leaf burn and help plants absorb nutrients. With regular care, you'll enjoy brighter blooms, stronger plants, and tastier harvests. Try this method. Your garden will reward you with lush growth and bountiful produce. Happy gardening!